Hey guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video, I'm going to walk you through how to apply Youth Mobility Scheme Visa for working in the UK. Before I proceed further, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please go subscribe right now. And also I would like to clarify, neither I am an immigration consultant, nor I am a government body. So in case you take anything out of this, you do it at your own risk. Alright guys, so let's proceed. So guys, with this visa, you can live and work in UK for up to 2 years and you are aged 18 to 30 or 18 to 35 depending upon where you're from. So basically youth. That's why the term says youth. Perfect. You have this much in saving, have certain type of British nationality or from certain country or territory listed in the eligibility requirements. We'll go through that. You can apply hardly as 6 months before you travel. Okay. Then you apply on generally it comes within 3 weeks, but yeah, in certain cases it may take more than that also. So that's quite possible. Okay. So how much it cost? So you need to pay the application fee. This is the application fee. Healthcare surcharge. That's fine. Okay. If you're national of Australia, Canada, New Zealand, you can extend visa by 1 year after 2 years. So there's some additional discount. So as a Canadian, you can stay there for 3 years. What you can and you cannot do, you can study, work, self-employed, but there's some restriction. Work, you cannot work as a sports person. X cannot extend. Okay, fine. All right. We'll just quickly go through eligibility, and then we will go through uh, the process. You 18 to 35 if you're from Australia, Canada, New Zealand, and South Korea. Wow. 80, you must be 18 or over when your visa starts, or 35 under when you apply for it. Okay. If you're from elsewhere in the world, you can apply for this visa if you're aged 1830 from Andorra, Iceland, Japan, Monaco, Uruguay. Okay. You must be selected in this scheme ballot if you are from Hong Kong, Taiwan. Okay. You can also apply if you are age and you are a British citizen, British versus territory citizen, British national versus. Wow. All right. If you're from India, there's a different scheme. We'll go through that. Money to support yourself. All right. Fine. Now we'll quickly go through the application process. If you're outside from you must apply online. Supporting documents. Okay. And you have to provide your biometric. All right. Once you're ready, click on apply online. And you should have some patience too. Where you are planning to live. So all the information I'm going to put is absolutely sample. When you do put as per your this. Do you currently have this passport? I said no. Select a country. So let's say you're a Canadian national. I select Canada. Next. Canada. So it has been outsourced to VFS in Canada. So let's say you have identified the location. That's based on your residential area. Once you are ready and you have gone through this, click on apply now. Put your email address, password, and then save and continue. So I'm going to do this, and then it's asking for the category. So I'll select mobility scheme. Click on continue. Who this email address belongs to? I select yes. I mean yourself. Do you have any other email? I select no. So basically what happens when you fill this all 5 tabs, it says in the next step, it will send you an email about scheduling your biometric where you have to go provide your biometric and submit your documents, and that's it. After that, it goes for the decision. Your telephone number, okay, or use while in UK, outside UK, let's say it's your mobile. Do you have any other telephone number? I select no, but if you have, definitely provide. I can't be contacted by telephone call and text message. I select yes. Why not? Name. Do it as per your own case. Any other name have you ever used? I select no. Gender, relationship status. Are you a national valid passport of one of the following countries? I select yes. That's why you are eligible. Have you previously spent time in UK as a working holiday maker or under? I select no. Your address. Oh, of course, you know your address. I don't have to tell you. This is this also your correspondence address? I select yes. How long have you lived at this address? I select 10. Let's say you own it. Oh, 0 months. Ah, wow. They need months also. Passport information. Okay. So any field you use in this form, you should verify it at least 2 times, not just once, 2 times. Issuing authority. Let's say, take your passport. You have a valid national identity card. Definitely you'll have. Okay. But I'm just selecting no because this is not a mandatory field, but sample will definitely provide that information. Your nationality, current country of nationality, country of birth. Just sample I'm doing. Place of birth. It should match with your passport. Date of birth, age limitation. Remember, only holder. Have you ever held any nationality or any other nationality or citizenship? I select no. But if you have, definitely provide that. We may have to talk. Do you want which language would you prefer? I select English. Why not? Does anyone rely on you for financial support? I select no. Mother. So let's say mother name is Ella Smith. Date of birth. Let's say 1978. Oh, let's say she's also Canadian. Continue. Now next is father. Let's say his dad name is Peter Smith. Date of birth. Date. Country of nationality. Say Canada. Have they always had the same nationality? Yes. Save and continue. Family. Do you have any family in the UK? I select no, but if you have, definitely provide that info. Traveling as part of an organized group? I select no. Traveling with another person? I select no. Where will you stay? So if you already arranged your stay, click on yes and provide that info. If not, they will ask your plan, how you're gonna plan to stay, like whatever Airbnb, renting or something. So that you need to provide. I'm just putting this as a sample. Have you been to UK in past 10 years? I select no. Have you been issued with a UK within past 10 years? I select no. Travel to Australia, Canada. So I'm selecting zero, but yeah, read it and then answer. Have you been to any other countries past 10 years? I select no, except this. But if you haven't, definitely provide. When you plan to arrive, so like remember 6 months days. So I'll select April I can go. Either for UK or for any other country, have you been refused a visa, denied entry? Read all that and then do. Don't just blindly do no, but read and do. Have you ever entered illegally? Criminal conviction, penalty? No. War crimes? I select no. Terrorist activity? I select no. Have you ever been a member of organization international which is extremist? UK security? Just read all that and click on your employment. I have not worked in any of these organizations like armed forces, intelligence. Wow, my God. Additional information, any information that you want to include, you can definitely include. Check your answers. If anything is wrong, incorrect, you want to change, you have an option, you can click on change and do it. Otherwise, once you're ready, go for next. Now it will tell you the documents. Okay. Statements and other things and your documents that you have to do. It will guide you one after one. Okay. Let's say Canada, then let's say TD statement. Okay. More evidence to maintain. And more evidence, I select yes. Financial evidence, let's say you have also from CIBC. More evidence, I select no. Up to your case. Mandatory documents. Passport. Okay. Other documents. So this two you selected. Your closest test results that you need to. Next is gonna be declaration. Check all the answers here. Declaration, you need to declare and then pay. And as I defined earlier, what other actions you have to take, and they will give you instructions. So this is how it works, guys. Let me know what you feel about it. Thanks for watching this, and please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.